So I know somebody out there is going to say, oh my gosh, look at all that Bondo. Oh, I got my little body fell on my chin down there. So since you were last in the garage, I have cut and ground all the pull studs off the cab. Some more around this other side here. So I got this dent pulled out. It looks a whole lot better than it was before. It's the one pulled out of the door. It's out a lot better than it was before. And the one on the bed right here. So that's looking good. And reviewing my first footage, I realized that I missed this dent right here. There's a little one right there. That one's not too bad, but this one I'm going to have to pull. So I get the stud puller out again so I can get that dent out, because I definitely can't leave that one in there, and I don't want to put that much filler in there. So we'll get that guy taken care of as well. This is when I say some choice words about the design of this bumper mounting. Because you have to lift the bed of the truck up to get the bumper off. Great job, Chevrolet. Great job. What moron thought that was a good idea? Well, you worry about the bumper pulling off? Because realistically, if you had something and you were doing a bumper pull, and you somehow managed to lose all of the bumper bolts, it would just bend the heck out of the bed as it snatched the bumper off anyway. That makes no sense at all. None. But then again, that's what you guys do. So we bring it back to you. Not this time. Not this time. Those are the bed bolts. And I didn't take you guys down there and make you suffer with me. That's 8 of them. 4 on each side of the bed. Bed bolts are off. Pull this tailgate off and get the bed emptied out. Get this bed lifted up so I can get the back bumper out of the way. Yeah, the bumper's off. And yeah, it's a pain. And no, I didn't hit the cab of the truck. I know you guys were wondering, oh, he's going to smash the cab of the truck. No, I didn't. I didn't. We'll make some adjustments. Get this bed in the air so we can get this cab corner replaced. So we got the bed up here. Got it lifted with the cherry picker. Didn't hit the record button again. Sorry, I was in the zone. We got it up, got it back, got access to what we need, which is right here. And I'll just sit this down right back here so y'all can see kind of what the situation looks like. And these things always make me nervous welding around them, even when they're closed off and sealed. I mean, it's sealed, no leaks, but still, I don't know, just something about welding around a gas tank always makes me nervous. Anyway, it's enough yakking. Get a couple things together and we will do some tapping, cut this thing out, and go ahead and get this patch panel put back in this cab corner. somebody out there is going to say, oh my gosh, look at all that Bondo. Oh, I got my little body filler on my chin down in there. So anyway, this is Evercoat. It's an ultralight body filler. And this Bondo is not thick this way. It's spread out real thin. Roughly about 1/8 of an inch at the deepest part. The rest of this is just a skim coat, and when I go to block this down for my rough sanding, you'll see that most of this won't even be here. What I'm trying to do is smooth out the imperfections. Even though I put a patch panel in this lower section, there were still some wrinkles in the top of this cab right here that I couldn't get flat. So I'm put a skim coat of body filler on there, and then I'll block that down. We'll work our way around here, and you'll notice that this will fan itself out as the bodywork gets closer to being finalized, so you have a nice smooth transition from your old metal to your new metal. So that's why it looks like a lot of body filler. It's not really a lot of body filler, it just looks that way. Alright, we're going to let this harden, dry up. Then I may hit it with a block, and then I'm sure I'll have to do a fill in and a spot or two. Pretty normal. But the cab corner's on, and body filler needed to smooth it out. It's getting where it needs to be at. I'll do some rough sanding with the some 80 or 60 grit, just to kind of get it roughly down where it needs to be at, and then we'll work it one more time. Should be pretty close to being ready for our primer, and then this section will be ready for paint. We'll go ahead and start taking care of the rest of the areas that needed some body filler and or glazing compound, depending on how deep the damage was. Oh yeah, and just so you know, they use body filler at the factories too. So don't get fooled thinking you don't have any body filler in your car. It's gotten a lot better, but several of these trucks from the factory have body filler in them. I'm just saying. 'Cause I've seen them before, never been painted. Oh man, look at that body filler. Where'd that come from? Unless they did it at the dealership. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching the Three Wheels on a Block channel, where we give back what time has taken away. We'll see you soon.